All right, and now on to our final one, coevolution. Coevolution is when the evolution of one species influences the evolution of another species. There are a couple great examples of this in nature, one being the cheetah and the antelope. So as the antelope developed more speed, or as the population evolved to on average be faster over time, the cheetahs, right, as a species, they eventually also gradually evolved to have more speed so that it, as a predator, could continue to catch its prey. Another good example is the monarch butterfly in the milkweed plant. Milkweed plants are poisonous. It has a toxin in it, and well, the monarch evolved to be able to eat and feed on the milkweed, therefore producing a butterfly that is also toxic. So they co-evolved together. Great examples of coevolution. When we talk about coevolution, we often hear the phrase coevolutionary arms race, right? This is in reference to the back and forth evolution of defense and offense between predator or parasite, but predator and prey usually, that can often result in a rapid burst of evolutionary change in both species in a short amount of time. So to any of my fellow Futurama fans out there, there's actually a really good reference to this co-evolutionary arms race in one of their episodes of Futurama. Keep in mind though that evolution happens on a population level. Remember, allele frequency changes in a population over time, right? So even though individuals do not evolve, this one clip from Futurama I still think is quite enjoyable and encapsulates what coevolution essentially describes if you imagine that each individual you see in this video represents the change in a population over time. Enjoy!
Let me tell you a story. A story of two alien species so ancient that compared to them, the human race is a mere college senior. On a distant planetoid, they evolved to cooperate in their quest to survive.
Cooperation, because life is a team sport.
But over time, one species evolved a better strategy. And an evolutionary arms race began. That concludes the audio-visual portion of our head clunk and lecture.